today class. I welcome you specially to today's geography class. In the last class, don't forget, we have looked at how to calculate the local time of a place. I told you when two places are located in different directions, that is the east and the west, you add. But when they are located at the same direction, you subtract. And we did a lot of that last week. But for today, we are going to look at how to calculate the longitude of a place. Don't forget, it's a revision class. How can we calculate the longitude of a place? By the end of this class, you should be able to examine the steps involved in calculating the longitudes of a place. You should be able to calculate the longitude of a place when the time of the both places has been given. Then finally, you will be able to solve several more questions on longitude and time of places. Now, let's look at the steps. Number one step. The steps are similar to the ones we applied last week. Now, let's look at the number one here. Locate the places involved. Here, you need to take note of this something here. You know, in the last class, the places can be either west or east. But here, one will be given, the other will not be given. You consider the time, the two times will be given. You will be looking at the earlier time, will come first, the earlier time. Please take note. We are going to apply that very soon. The earlier time. Number two step, you calculate the time difference. Because the two times will be given, look at the difference between the two times by subtracting one from another. Preferably use a clock. We are going to do that before the end of this class. Then convert the time difference to time. Taking note that 1 degree is equal 15. 1 hour is 15 degrees. Take note. 1 degree 15. 1 hour 15 degrees. Take note. Now, lastly, you adjust the longitude of that place. Let's look at question 1. If the time in town A is 10 p.m. and the time in town B is 60 degrees west is 6 p.m. Calculate the longitude of town A. You can see only the longitude of town B was given. That of A was not given. And the time of A, 10 p.m. and that of B, 6 p.m. What you should do now, for you to locate this place, you have to look at the earlier time. Which one is earlier there? 10 p.m. or 6 p.m. Since they are the same day. The earlier time is 6 p.m. Therefore, town B is going to be the first one. Let's go to the calculation proper. Let's look at it. Let's look at the places involved. Step 1. Step 1. Let's look at step 1. Don't forget step 1, you locate the places involved. Now, the places we have the first town, which is town B, that is the earlier time. That is why I'm taking town B and not town A, because town B has the earlier time. That is town B, and the longitude of that town was 60 degrees. You can check the question back. 60 degrees, and then the time of that place was 6 p.m. While in town A, which is the longitude was not given. That is what we are asked to calculate, and the time was 10 p.m. You can see that it was the earlier time that I picked first to show the first location. That is how to calculate, to show the position. Once you miss this one, you miss it all. So please take note. You look at the earlier time. That the town with earlier time comes first here at the left-hand side. Then you are asked to calculate the longitude of this. You draw an arrow to show what you are looking for. Don't forget, we look at the second step. We'll continue. You understand it better. Step 2, we look at the time difference. You know, when we are calculating local time, we are looking at longitude difference because the both longitude were given. But here is the time. The time of the both towns have been given. Then we'll now look at time difference. Here we look at 10 p.m. minus 6 p.m. Preferably you use your clock. Use your clock because a time like 1 p.m. and 8 a.m. sometimes be difficult to subtract. You may not get it right. So use your clock. You at 6 p.m. you now count between 6 and 10. How many hours are there? And you discover if you have done that very well, you have 4 hours. Between 10 p.m. and 6 p.m. we have 4 hours. Now let's look at step 3, which is the second to the last step. Step 3. We said in step 3, you convert the given hour to degrees. giving hour to degrees. How do you do that? I said, don't forget, since 1 hour equals 15 degrees. Since 1 hour equals 15 degrees. Therefore, when you have 4 hours, what will that give you? 4 hours will be 4 times 15 degrees. That will give us how many degrees like that? 4 times 15. That will give us 60 degrees. Now you can see you have gotten 60 degrees. Now the last step, you adjust the longitude. How do we adjust the longitude? That is the step 4. Don't forget in step 4, you adjust the longitude. How do you adjust the longitude? You can see the original one, you are moving towards the right hand. Don't forget in longitude, the center line is 0 degree. Now anything like this to the west, to the left, when you are coming down, means that you are coming towards 0. Now you are moving 60 degrees towards 0. Now what you do is just say 60 degrees west minus 60 degree. When you subtract that, you see that you'll be at 0 degree. And that 0 degree is simply the Greenwich meridian. Therefore, you now say, therefore, town A is located at longitude 0 degree. Remember, 0 degree is the center line. 0 degree is the center line. 0 degree is the center line of longitudes. That is longitude 0 degree. That is the location of town A there. Don't forget, we have looked at the various steps involved in the calculation. I will expect you to be able to note that before you locate the place, you look at the earlier time. And when you do that, then you now convert it to the degree as usual, following the steps that we have actually applied. I know by next class, we'll talk more on something similar, how to calculate more examples. But please don't forget to open the attached documents for more information. And remember to turn in your tags before the end of today. God bless you. Thanks.